Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. So today I want to transform from this look to another look. Yeah, I want to make my hair. The time now is 10 minutes to 6. My friend said I should be expecting her by 7:30, that she's coming to do my hair by 7:30. I was expecting her since morning. I've prepared, I've washed my hair, expecting her to come soon so that we will do the hair, but she said she have things doing, that she have to come this evening to come and make the hair for me. Look at my hair. Short hair. Short hair. Stay tuned. You will see the style that I'll be making later on. Okay, I see you guys later.